Have you ever wished you could trade without commissions or get instant access to your funds? Well, I'm here to tell you about Robinhood Gold, a premium subscription service that can take your investing game to the next level. But before we dive into the activation process, let's explore what Robinhood Gold actually offers. What is Robinhood Gold? Think of Robinhood Gold as a VIP pass to the stock market. It's a subscription service that gives you access to several exclusive benefits, including commission-free trading. That's right, you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and options without paying a single penny in commissions. Instant deposits. Forget about waiting days for your funds to settle. With Robinhood Gold, your deposits are available instantly for trading. Extended hours trading. Trade before the market opens and after it closes, giving you more opportunities to capitalize on market movements. Margin trading. This allows you to borrow money to buy securities, potentially increasing your returns, but also exposing you to greater risk. Is Robinhood Gold right for you? Before you decide to activate Robinhood Gold, it's important to consider whether the benefits outweigh the costs. The subscription fee is a monthly recurring charge, so make sure you can afford it and that the features will actually add value to your investing strategy. How to activate Robinhood Gold. Now, let's get to the main event, how to activate Robinhood Gold. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open the Robinhood app. If you haven't already, download the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account. Tap on the profile icon. You'll find this in the bottom right corner of the app. Select Manage Account. This option should be near the top of the menu. Tap on Subscriptions. This will show you available subscription options. Choose Robinhood Gold. Select this option to activate the subscription. Review the terms and conditions. Make sure you understand the terms and fees associated with Robinhood Gold. Confirm your subscription. Once you've reviewed everything, confirm your decision to activate the subscription. Tips for using Robinhood Gold. Now that you've activated Robinhood Gold, here are a few tips to help you make the most of this premium service. Set realistic goals. Determine what you want to achieve with Robinhood Gold, whether it's growing your portfolio, trading more frequently, or simply saving on commissions. Use the extended hours trading wisely. While extended hours trading can offer opportunities, it can also be riskier. Be cautious and do your research before making trades outside of regular market hours. Understand the risks of margin trading. Margin trading can amplify both gains and losses. Use margin responsibly and only if you're comfortable with the risks involved. Take advantage of instant deposits. This feature can be especially helpful for short-term trading strategies. However, remember to manage your risk and avoid impulsive decisions. Robinhood Gold can be a valuable tool for investors looking to enhance their trading experience. By providing commission-free trading, instant deposits, extended hours trading, and margin trading, it offers a range of benefits that can help you achieve your financial goals. However, it's essential to weigh the costs and benefits carefully before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.